Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will guide you through the IS6FX account area on your iOS device. To get started, log in your IS6FX account. Once logged in, locate the menu button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. To navigate to the account area, tap on Account Information. Here, you will find all the key sections of your account. First, let's explore your registered information. In this section, you will find your basic details, including your email address, password, contact information, and residence details. It's essential to keep this information up to date to ensure smooth communication and seamless transactions. If you need to update any details, simply tap on the Change button, make the necessary changes, and save them. Next, we move on to the Documents to be submitted section. Here, you will need to upload your identification documents to verify your account. This step is crucial for maintaining the security of your account. Now, let's take a look at the Bank Accounts section. This is where you can link your bank account to your IS6FX account, enabling seamless deposits and withdrawals. Moving on to Credit Card Info. This section allows you to securely store your credit card details for quick and easy deposits. Adding your credit card information is straightforward. Just enter your card details. Rest assured, all your data is encrypted and secured with two-factor authentication. Finally, let's review wallet address registration. If you prefer using cryptocurrencies, this is where you can register your wallet address. Regularly updating your information and keeping your documents up to date will help you manage your account efficiently. Congratulations! You have learned about your IS6FX account area on iOS device. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!